In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Pen or Draw tool in Microsoft Word. If you've ever wanted to mark up a document, sketch ideas, or write with a stylus directly in Word, the Draw tab is what you need. By default, it isn't always visible on the ribbon, but turning it on only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly and explain what you're seeing along the way, so you know you're in the right place. Start in Microsoft Word with any document open. Look to the top left corner of the app window and choose File. This opens Word's Backstage view, the place where you handle settings, saving, printing, and account details. We're going here because the option to show or hide tabs on the ribbon lives inside Word settings. Next, move to the lower left area of that file screen and select Options. This opens the Word Options dialog, which controls how the app behaves and what appears in the interface. If you don't immediately see it, scroll the left panel in the file view. It's typically near the bottom. In the Word Options window, choose Customize Ribbon from the list on the left. This section lets you decide exactly which tabs appear across the top of Word and which commands live inside them. On the right side, you'll see a column labeled Main Tabs, which lists the standard tabs like Home, Insert, and Review. In that Main Tabs list, find Draw and turn it on by checking the box next to it. This checkbox tells Word to display the Draw tab on your ribbon so you can access pens, highlighters, shapes, and handwriting tools. If the list is long, you might need to scroll a bit to locate Draw. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Make sure you're looking in the Main Tabs section, not the command list on the left. Once Draw is checked, confirm your change by clicking OK at the bottom of the Word Options window. Word will close the dialog and return you to your document, and you should now see the Draw tab on the ribbon alongside your other tabs. If your app window is very narrow, some tabs may collapse into an overflow menu. Widening the window can make Draw appear. Also, keep in mind that the availability of the Draw tab can depend on your Word version and device capabilities. That's it. Your Draw tools are enabled. From here, you can explore pens, colors, thicknesses, and inking features whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and enjoy annotating, sketching, and writing directly in Word.